In this video, I'm going to show you how to import journal entries in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, first you want to go to the settings cogwheel here in the top right, and you want to click on the tools over here, and of course you want to go to import data. So click on import data. From here, select journal entries from the drop down like this and click on import. Now over here, you will have to upload your CSV file. Now over here, you can download a sample CSV. So of course you can see what template you have to use to be able to do that. Then go to browse over here and select your file and click on open. Now I have one over here. It's a sample file. I'm going to click on next over here. And now you can see you'll have to basically map your column headings. Now if you use the template, it should automatically be correct like this. So as you can see here, I have all check marks, which means everything is correct over here. But if it isn't, just check them. So for example, the QuickBooks field would be journal number. I would have to find it over here, click on it to actually make it correct like this. And it automatically did these for me because I have used the template. And of course, make sure you also put in the correct journal date, because if the dates are not correct, you will get this error over here. So let me go back, and I have to change it because this is my format, and then click on next. And there we go. If everything is fine, it's going to say that you're good to go and how many of them they're going to be imported. Click on complete import, and then whenever you do this, it's going to start loading, and there we go. Nicely done. The journal entries were added. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.